You can see their storage card for PVC on various sizes. Yeah. You can see this is a storage card for PVC. What's this one for? What's the size of this one?
Size 3/4.
Bring it up. You can see this PVC pipe. This one is 3/4. It's 3/4 pipe. Come. Sorry, sir. What is this for?
This one is 1 inch.
This is 1-inch pipe for water supply. I think this is the one I was telling you the other day. 1-inch pipe. All of these are 1 inch. What is this size for?
This is 1.5.
1.5
For
inch
pressure.
for water pressure. We use this for where do we use supplying of water? Is it in the wash hand basin or what?
This one is for borehole.
For borehole. Okay, beautiful. This is what's the size?
This one is 1.5. We have 1.5. We have 2 inches. So
We have 1.5. We have 2 inches. What's this size?
This one is 1 inch.
1 inch. It was 1.5. We have 2 inches in PVC pipes. You can see their storage card for PVC pipe. They have various sizes here. Thank you.